Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, what is up? My name is Lauren and I make beauty and fashion, lifestyle, productivity, vlogs, all the fun stuff. So please hit subscribe. I would love you to join on my channel and all the fun. Today's video is going to be showing you how I get this glowy fall tutorial with the berries, the just glowiness. I'm a firm believer that you don't only have to have glowing makeup during the summertime. The glowy minimalist makeup just fits my skin so well. I refuse to stop doing this tutorial after summer, so I'm gonna put a little fall twist with the berry blush. I'll have all my products linked below, but in the meantime, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, like all glowy makeup tutorials require a good moisturizer, so I'm going to be applying the La Roche-Posay. It is from Target. It is literally my favorite moisturizer ever. It makes your skin look glowy. I'm literally almost out, so I hope that I can get some out. I need to order some. You can also get it on Amazon for the same price. I'm just going to be applying this all over. This gives you a good dewy, like glazed look, which I love. You can see the shine. While my moisturizer kind of sets in and dries a little bit, I'm gonna do my eyebrows first just so that they're set. I'm not gonna be applying foundation really, so I'm just going to do my eyebrows with this Got To Be Glued gel. I usually have a little bit of that gel on my skin up top, so I just wipe away the excess. I've seen everywhere that apparently foundation is out, which I'm okay with because I am a sensitive skin girly. So I've never really enjoyed wearing a lot of foundation and makeup anyway. For just like the main thing I'm putting on my skin, this is the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. I'm just going to apply this directly to my face, and then I'm going to blend it out with my hands like a moisturizer. Even though it's pretty translucent, it does give a little bit of a tint, so I'm going to apply some to my neck also. So for the only kind of cover up I'm going to be using is a concealer. This is the L'Oreal 24 Full Wear Concealer. This one that I have is kind of too light for me, but with fall and winter coming up, I feel like it would be a waste to buy a darker one. So for now, this is gonna be my color. I just do a little bit under my eye and then just where your girl has problem areas. I always like to blend out with a beauty blender. This one is a Sonia Kashuk. I haven't bought a beauty blender in so long because I feel like they make really great drugstore options that are way cheaper, under $10. So I definitely recommend trying out this one from Sonia Kashuk. Okay, so the rest of my makeup is going to be with these three items. These are from the brand Merit. I was sent these like a year ago and I did a whole review on them and did a video about them, or mentioned in one of my videos, but I didn't really give it a full try, and I'm all about the easy minimalist makeup. I've been loving them. This is like not technically sponsored because I wasn't required to do this video. I really have been using this in my everyday makeup. I'm gonna take their concealer stick and I'm gonna apply a little bit of this under my eye on top of the lighter color. It's a little light for me and I wanted to double up on some concealer. Okay, the next thing is this same concealer stick, but I got it in a darker color for like a bronzer. I did notice on their website though that they have an actual bronzer that you can purchase for this, but I feel like this does just the same job, so I'm just going to lightly apply that. So I recently purchased from Dibs the highlighter stick, which I'm so excited to try out. Purchased the new brush that they released for blending out, and then also the duo with the bronzer and blush. I'm so excited to try it out. I'll definitely have to film a new tutorial once I get those products. Next, I'm doing the blush in the color Mood, which is like a deep berry, perfect for fall. And I'm just gonna do a little swipe there and blend it out. I love a good deep berry blush for fall. We'll also like to take that same bronzer stick and throw it in the creases of my eyes to do some definition. And then lastly, I use their highlighter stick. I will say the smell of it like isn't my favorite. It does go away after a little bit if you can just get behind the initial kind of gross smell. And then these I like to blend out with my 2 fingers. I honestly love a glowy minimalist makeup look, mostly because I struggle with having textured skin from just the previous years of acne from just hormones and what I eat. I always love finding a glowy makeup look because I really feel like it helps with texture and makes me feel more confident rather than a plain matte look that just really brings out the skin. Okay, so I do a little bit of setting powder just so that it's not like slipping off my face later in the day. I just use the Morphe translucent powder. I do a little bit underneath my eyes and down kind of by my nose and then my chin. The non-exciting part, I'm going to throw on some mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess, and I'm just going to do a quick little coat. I love this mascara. I got it from Target earlier this summer. It was only $4.99. It's pretty good for the price, so I recommend checking out this for a good drugstore mascara. Okay, last but not least, we're doing the lips, and I have a weird lip trick that I've been doing for quite a while. I like to line my lips with the Benefit brow pencil, and it's just like a natural kind of lip liner. And I'm going to throw on this lip gloss. It is from Urban Outfitters, and it is a coconut lip gloss that is just clear. And we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching my quick and easy glowy fall makeup tutorial. I love finding minimal makeup tutorials and products, especially for my skin type, and I can't wait to show you guys my tutorial once I get my dibs products. So definitely hit subscribe, and I will see you all next time.